Hi there. I don't know if anybody's there or not on this group or watching me, but I just thought I'd jump on. I'm painting and I'm in a mess. I just want to show you. I put some water in my sink, and yeah, it's water-based paint, but I know I probably should wear gloves, but that's okay. I hate wearing gloves to paint. It's not so easy. And it's warm out, so get all that much warmer. But this is the powdered laundry soap, but watch you guys, like, see how filthy I am? It blows my mind. It blows my mind. So it's got a little bit of abrasion to it, so it just peels the paint right off. It's pretty incredible. Crazy. And then it's cleaning my sink at the same time. I don't know. Wow. I'll have one hand cleaned anyways to show you guys. I did it the other day and I was just blown away, and I thought, you know what, sharing is caring, right? A little bit of red paint, a little bit of white paint, a little bit of fence tan colored paint, all kinds of paint, and it just comes right off. I'll put some on my arm. So much better. Like back in the day, I used to use all kinds of paint thinner and bad things to get it off my skin. And now I'm using laundry soap, yay! And it works. But guys, I just wanted to share for a quick minute. I'll be doing this for a couple more minutes. Then I'm gonna go jump in the shower. But crazy. It's just peeling right off. Just peeling, look at that spot on my arm, it's pretty much gone. Pretty much gone. You see? And that hand is pretty well clean. Just a little bit of water in the sink and sprinkle some laundry soap on and scrub your body. I probably have it other places too. I haven't looked at my body too good, so maybe I should bring the laundry soap into the shower with me. Kind of weird. But this, yeah, even this hand is coming out really, it's actually quite quick, a little bit quicker on that hand. Sure got in a mess though. Holy cow, is it ever coming off nicely? So you guys, no reason to use toxic chemicals to try and remove paint off your body either. And I thank my good friend Donna for pointing me in this direction, because she's seen I was in a bit of a mess the other day. So she said, try the powdered laundry soap, it's amazing. And sure enough, I always knew it was amazing, but yeah, pretty much got that hand clean too. Wowzers. Craziness. Pretty much gone. Pretty much all gone. A little bit left on this side, but yeah, you guys. So there you go. Powdered laundry soap. Shouldn't even be called laundry soap. It should just be called miracle soap. I don't know. I like it for everything. I use it. I wash my dishes with it. So it's just absolutely my favorite thing in the whole cleaning, other than my EnviroCloth too, I guess. It goes hand in hand. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys are having a great summer. Okay, bye.